Good morning. My name is Evanjali Das from East Point Public School, and today we are applying art integrated learning in the classroom. I have class 5 with me here. And we are going ahead with activity 1, which is Good Citizen Tree.
So, education doesn't mean learning from the book only. When we are being educated, we have to learn from ourselves. And first of all, we have to be a good human. And for being a good human, we have to be a good citizen. So, let's know what this kids think of being a good citizen. What are the qualities that one need to possess to be a good citizen? Shamaji, can we start with you, please?
Kindness. Kindness means being caring and helpful. I practice kindness by helping my friends when they need support.
Thank you. Very well said. Please sit down. Now, part 2.
Cleanness. Cleanness means keeping ourselves and our environment clean. I practice cleanness by throwing waste in the dustbin. Thank you.
Sit down. So, kindness, cleanliness, these are really the virtues that's needed for being a good citizen. There are many more. Let's see. Oisha.
Respect.
Okay.
This means treating everyone politely. I respect my teachers and all elders irrespective for their job. Thank you.
Very good. Sit down. Sonora.
Helpfulness means helping others without anything in return. I practice helpfulness by helping my friends. Thank you.
Okay. So, Sritama, right? Please stand up. Please. What do you think? What virtue you want to speak about?
Honesty. Honesty. For me, honesty means telling the truth.
Okay, so do you always tell the truth?
Yes,
Even when you know that you can get punishment?
yes.
Okay, sit down. Vishal.
Discipline, which means rules and being punctual. I practice my discipline by completing my homework on time, being calm and well behaved in classroom. Thank you.
Thank you. So, these kids are really trying to be a good citizen for our future. Let's see if we can continue teaching them really these values. Thank you, everyone.
Our kids not only learn from books but also from surroundings. Here, our sir is teaching them about gardening and about the various benefits of plants. So, sir, excuse me, sir, can you please introduce your kids with us?
Definitely, ma'am. Uh, this is Avishar. This is Parthopratim Munda. And this is Kaustubh Burman and Vishal Shao, Shomojit Patra, and Anurag Das.
Okay, thank you, sir. Please carry on.
Thank you for these opportunities. We were truly delighted to be a part of your workshop. It was a very wonderful learning experience, and we gained a lots of valuable insights from it. I am sincerely grateful for the chance to participate.
গুড আফটারনুন। ইস্ট পয়েন্ট পাবলিক স্কুলের তরফ থেকে আমি রীনা দাস আপনাদের সকলকে জানাই আমার আন্তরিক শুভেচ্ছা। গত শনিবার এআইএল কর্মশালার তরফ থেকে যে আপনারা আয়োজন করেছিলেন সেখানে আমরা সকলে অংশগ্রহণ করে ভীষণভাবে উৎসাহিত হয়েছে এবং আনন্দিত হয়েছে। আপনাদের এই কর্মশালা থেকে আমরা অনেক কিছু অভিজ্ঞতা অর্জন করেছি এবং নানা রকমের মূল্যবান তথ্য আমরা জানতে পেরেছি। আমাদের এই একটা সুন্দর কর্মশালায় সকলকে অংশগ্রহণের সুযোগ করে দেওয়ার জন্য সত্যি ভীষণভাবে আমরা আপনাদের কাছে, বিশেষ করে পথনামের কাছে কৃতজ্ঞ। ধন্যবাদ।